Peace be upon you. In this video, we'll solve the problem of 5G not working even though your phone supports 5G and the area you're in also supports 5G, but only 4G is showing up. The solution is very simple, my friend. Before we get to the explanation, don't forget, as usual, to subscribe to the channel, share, and like the video. Let's get to the explanation. As I mentioned before, for 5G to work on your phone, it must support 5G and the area you're in must also support 5G. If your phone meets these conditions, the solution is simple. Just pull down the notification shade. Then, long press the mobile data icon. If you have two SIM cards, select the one with the internet connection and tap it. Scroll down and you'll find this option. Tap it and you'll see 2G, 3G, 4G, and 5G. Switch it back to the first option. You'll then see 5G working. Congratulations, the problem is solved.